Lubbock Cooper ISD English Grade 7, Unit 4B and 5B, Formulating Connections Across All Genres in Literary Text, Revising and Editing. Number 1. What is the most effective revision to make in Sentence 3? A. They write essays, take tests, and do homework while there are sports practices. B. They write essays, take tests, do homework, and attend sports practices. C. They write essays, take tests, and do homework. They also go to sports practices. D. Sentence 3 is written correctly in the paper. Number 2. Ari would like to revise Sentence 7 so that it more clearly states the position he is taking in his paper. Which of the following could replace Sentence 7 and best accomplish this goal? F. Our school should join other schools in implementing a citizenship program that will require service projects within the school. G. School can be a place where students are part of something bigger than just academics, classrooms, and lunchrooms. H. We as a school can offer programs that help kids do amazing things with their lives today and add to their futures. J. In this paper, I'll tell you how we can set some new goals and encourage kids in our school to be more responsible. 3. Ari has left an important detail out of the second paragraph, sentences 8 through 10. At the end of the grading period, each student received a citizenship grade in addition to his or her academic grades. Where is the best place to insert this sentence? A. Before sentence 8, B. After sentence 8, C. After sentence 9, D. After sentence 10. 4. Ari has included an extraneous sentence in the third paragraph, sentences 11 through 15. Which sentence should be deleted from this paragraph? F. Sentence 12, G. Sentence 13, H. Sentence 14, J. Sentence 15. 5. Which of the following can replace sentence 16 and serve as a more effective topic sentence for the fourth paragraph, sentences 16 through 19? A. A citizenship program at our school would offer many benefits. B. This would be really cool at our school too. C. Everyone knows that kids who volunteer feel better about themselves. D. Students can be involved in a variety of projects with their classmates. 6. The meaning of sentence 20 can be clarified by changing them to F. Businesses, G. Programs, H. Students, J. Schools. 7. Ari wants to close his paper with a call to action. Which of these sentences could be added after sentence 21 to accomplish this goal? A. In closing, students will be proud of what they've done to improve their school and community. B. A citizenship program is a valuable idea for helping people get things done that might not otherwise be done. C. Let's give students at our school an opportunity to experience that pride by beginning a citizenship program here. D. Clearly, the extra work is worth the effort for everyone who is involved in creating a citizenship program today. 8. How should sentence 2 be changed? F. Change they to you. G. Change pictures to pictures. H. Change elaborate to elaborate. J. Sentence 2 should not be changed. 9. What change needs to be made in sentence 4? A. Change variety to variety. B. Change that to they. C. Change involved to involve. D. No change needs to be made in sentence 4. 10. What change should be made in sentence 6? F, delete the comma. G, change there to there. H, change busily to busily. J, no change should be made. 11. What is the correct way to write sentences 15 and 16? A, when he surfaces, he usually has a heavy bag. It is filled with hundreds of golf balls that have mistakenly landed in the pond. B, when he surfaces, he usually has a heavy bag filled with hundreds of golf balls that have mistakenly landed in the pond. C, when he surfaces, he usually has a heavy bag filled in hundreds of golf balls that have mistakenly landed in the pond. D, when he surfaces, he usually has a heavy bag filled with hundreds of golf balls that have mistakenly landed in the pond. 12. What change should be made in sentence 18? F, change A to an. G, change average to average. H, change can collecting to collecting. J, no change should be made in sentence 18. 13. What change, if any, should be made in sentence 21? A, change communities to communities. B, change requires to require. C, change maintenance to maintenance. D, make no change. 14. How should sentence 24 be changed? F, change are usually operating to is usually operating. G, delete the comma. H, change they to you. J, sentence 24 should not be changed. 15. What change needs to be made in sentence 25? A, change your to your. B, insert a comma after diving. C, insert a comma after someday. D, change you may want to and may want to.